The Adam Walsh Child Protection and Safety Act is a federal law that was created to honor Adam Walsh, who was a 6-year-old little boy who was kidnapped and murdered in Florida and was suspected to have been sexually assaulted. The law has created a federal sex offender registry that has 3 different tiers that a person can register under. The third tier is the highest, and the first tier is the lowest, and based on the age of the victim and the seriousness of the crime, the perpetrator will be assigned to one of those tiers. And based on what tier they are assigned and have to register under is how often and how long they will have to re-register. For the lowest tier, they must re-register once a year. For the third tier, which is the highest, they are required to re-register several times a year, and they are never permitted to come off of the sexual offenders registry. The law has set punishments if anyone does not register or re-register. This is meant to ensure that the register is up to date. The law has implications on immigration. If somebody commits a sexual crime, they could be deported or they could be rejected for a visa application. The law also takes child pornography into account, and it highlights the punishments that will occur if somebody creates, distributes, or views child pornography. The law also highlights the importance of child abuse prevention. The law really articulates the importance of funding and implementation of community programs, such as mentoring programs for at-risk youth, as well as client, community, and family education on how to prevent child abuse in community resources and social services resources. Some consequences that might have been unintended by the implementation of this law are harassment and stalking and assault of the perpetrators, because they are required to state where they work, live, and attend school, and this is published online. This could lead to a community member or a family member of the victim to try to retaliate. Also, for the levels 1 and 2 perpetrators, they are not required to re-register after a certain time of years, so this could cause potential re-offense.